Hello and welcome to the TigrePupbeauty channel. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 different styles that I intend to sell on my website. If this topic interests you, then please keep watching.
Tigre got the wigs, you gotta come through. Tigre's what you need to be a brand new you. Tigre wigs, TigrePupbeauty.
Okay, so this is the first style. It's a long layered haircut with face framing layers, as you can see here. This is what the front looks like. I thought this would be a good option. To add to the selection because not everybody wants a shortcut wig. And basically, as you can see, we have layers throughout the entire head. So if you were to curl it and whatnot, you get a lot of volume and body. Okay, so this wig is pretty much for the everyday wearer. It's not too long and it's not too short, so you don't have to worry about sitting on it or getting it caught in like a car door or anything like that. It's a reasonable length, and I think this would be perfect, you know, for just anybody, just like, you know, like I said, everyday basic needs. And it's pretty easy to style as well. Okay, so this next style is the water wave curly wig. As you can see here, it is also layered pretty much in the same method as the previous straight wig that I was telling you about just now. But yeah, I just layered it. It's pretty low maintenance. I mean, you just pretty much have to at night just moisturize it, you know, and keep it moisturized so the next day you can just wear it. It's a pretty decent length. Not too long, not too short, everyday wear. So you can get pretty good usage out of it, in my opinion. I have different styling methods that I intend on doing videos on pretty soon. So you can have a lot more options as far as like style, so you won't be stuck in a rut. But yeah, so this is the water wave curly hair, and it's in long length here. Okay, so this is my third style. As you can see, it's a bob, and it has a few face framing layers in the very front. A lot of volume. Actually, in this particular instance, I had to tease the top a little in order for it to get a little bit more height, because I felt it was a little bit too flat. But of course, that's your option. A lot of people are not wearing it pretty flat to the head and everything. But right here, it's just giving you a little bit more body and volume, and you're not you have a lot more styling options. You can actually curl it, and it's not as hot, like, you know, with hair all on your neck, the back of your neck and whatnot. So this is perfect for someone who wants like a short style and just not a lot of work, you know. So just like I said, like, these are everyday wigs that I'm creating here. So yeah, you can go to work. It's not loud or obnoxious or anything like that. So it's just another option, and I will be doing a lot of style options as far as like styling. So just keep an eye out for that. Okay, so here's my fourth wig option here, and it's basically a blunt cut with no layers except in the front where it's face framing layers. Pretty much very low maintenance. It's pretty much the classic one length bob. As you can see here, the length and whatnot is a very silky, shiny look here. You can also wear this curled or waved. You have a few styling options with this, but then just to remind you, it's not layered, so you're not gonna see any like little short pieces in the interior or have very much volume. This is pretty much like a sleek style for someone who wants, you know, not very much volume, just pretty smooth and straight look. Okay, so this completes my video on the style options that I have so far. Hopefully you liked some of the styles and maybe might want to make a purchase at some point. I'm also going to offer highlights available for these styles. So just keep an eye out for that, and let me know which style did you like. Did you like number 1, 2, number 3, or 4? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.